Welcome to PixaFOTO.com Media. New, breathtaking, Lightroom and Photoshop in the Wilderness collection offers many awesome XMP presets. To deliver the ultimate quality, all our filters are based on sophisticated research and hard practice. That's why our presets inspire thousands of photographers around the world. Make your landscape and nature photography stand out with these new, amazing presets. In this breathtaking XMP presets collection, we handpicked some of the best landscape presets you can use to enhance your nature photos without having to spend hours adjusting and optimizing settings. Adjusting to the right tone, light, and mood is a tedious editing process. With our presets, we take the guesswork out to give you back your most valuable asset, your time. These presets are designed with a touch of perfection in mind. They're perfect for creating distinctive pictures that will stand the test of time. These beautiful presets are one of the best ways to instantly enhance your work. They're ideal for bringing the very best of your outdoor photographs. Finally, it is time to enjoy breathtaking sunsets and outdoor images enhanced with incredible Photoshop and Lightroom effects. Do not miss the chance to get exclusive Lightroom and Photoshop landscape and nature preset collection